Hey guys, welcome to another video. This was gonna be weird and different. I am gonna do a day in the life. We're just gonna spend the day together so you can see what it's like to be a YouTuber slash work from home mom. And it starts with me slapping makeup on this old face because I'm probably on camera. And I use this Saint makeup because it's 5 minutes and it's weird. You just put a bunch of dots all over your face of the makeup. I'm not 100% sure if I'm doing it right, but you dot it and you're supposed to contour for Kim Kardashian cheeks. Again, am I doing it right? I don't know. And when you're all done dotting, you use the brush. So it's 9 a.m. and Emily just got here. I'm not dressed yet. I run late a lot. Usually we hang out here and have coffee, but today we have multiple meetings.
Busy day.
It's a crazy day. So Emily's behind the camera. She does the filming and editing and all that lovely stuff. So you're probably not going to see her a lot today because she's going to be behind, but I'm going to get dressed and we're going to take you on an adventure. It's not really an adventure though. It's fine. You ready for a road trip? Let's go! So we're doing a new makeover series where we're going to people's homes here in the community. So we're scouting the first house. It's like a half-an-hour drive. I'm excited because it's a craft room. So we just left the first house. We're on our way to another home to meet a different family. And then we have a third family. So it's like a crazy busy morning, but the first house, I love her. Her space filled to the brim. Her personality is amazing. I have no idea if we can actually do anything in her space because it's like weird walls, but I love her and I'm hoping this next family is like half as great. So we just left a mom of twins house. My heart, you guys, she's feeling really overwhelmed, but I'm not sure she's ready for the help. It's 11 o'clock. We're on our way back. I stopped for this pumpkin spice iced cappuccino with whipped cream and syrup, and I feel kind of sick about it, but that's okay. So we're heading back. I have a meeting coming up, and then I'm gonna quickly clean the house before we have lunch.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime.
Now it's lunchtime, and Emily and I always watch Fail Army on the TV because we like seeing people fail. So after lunch, it's a lot of computer work. Emily is going to do some editing and I'm going to work on the giveaway. I have the most exciting Christmas giveaway coming up. It's 12 days of giveaways. It's over $10,000 worth of stuff that I'm giving away to you guys. So I'm making these graphics and doing all of that. Now I have some emails and I have to upload a reel and some posts to Instagram. So I usually work, the kids get home at like 2:45. I work till 5, but I take a quick break just to say hi to them and then back to work either filming or doing like computer work. Blah. Yeah, where's your backpack? All right.
I mean, I guess you did say you were going to see them tomorrow.
It's almost 4:30. I'm quickly gonna empty the dishwasher and I'm actually still filming. We're filming HelloFresh while it's for dinner, right? So, but we're filming the cooking process. So I'm still technically working. I'm gonna empty the dishwasher, do the dishes like we always do. I'm gonna film making dinner, then we're gonna eat as a family. Then it's music lessons tonight. I've gotta take Izzy and her friends out. It's crazy pants. I have another meeting tonight before bed. It's a busy day, so I better get started. I'd like to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. I'm pretty much obsessed with HelloFresh. Our family is so busy, especially on school nights. We're rushing around to have a million activities, so I love that I can get a HelloFresh dinner on the table in under 30 minutes. I also love that everything's so farm to table fresh. Right now they have a ton of fall recipes with delicious fresh produce. Because everything's pre-portioned, I just have to follow the step-by-step instructions right on the recipe cards, and there's a lot less wasted food, so I feel really good when I'm not throwing anything out. It's also obviously fresh, as the name HelloFresh would say, but these are healthy meals that help me stick to my goals. If you're really busy like our family and you want some little extra help preparing dinner, you gotta try HelloFresh. Go to HelloFresh.com and use the promo code Clutterbug65 to save 65% off and get free shipping right now. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. That is HelloFresh.com. Use the promo code Clutterbug65. It's 6:15, we are done dinner, the dishes are done, everything's clean. So now Izzy asked to go to Shoppers Drug Mart. So I'm gonna run her and her friends, and Abby and Milo are gonna come. We always have other people's kids in this house. It's like Grand Central Station up here. So I am chauffeur mom most nights, and Joe is actually, he coaches the kids hockey. So he has a coaching meeting for a few hours tonight. So he's gone, so I'm kind of like doing the single mom thing tonight. So lots to do. When I get back, I have another meeting, and then I'm gonna play some soccer with Milo before bed in the dark probably, but that's okay. Let's do this.
Hey sisters! Hey sisters! Dairy Queen! Amazing! Sorry, Carolyn.
So it is just after 8 o'clock. I'm pooped. This is usually the time of night where I get my pajamas on and start just like laying around and crushing a lot of Netflix on my tablet. But I have to go out and pick up Joe later tonight. He's dropping his truck off to get fixed after his hockey meeting. And at 8:30, I have to drop off Izzy's friends. So I'm gonna be out tonight till like almost 10. So I'm not gonna get my pajamas or I won't get out of bed. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna push through. I'm gonna make some banana bread. Look at these bananas. Yummy. I'm gonna make some banana bread, help Milo make his lunch. Hopefully Abby can tuck him in tonight and just keep on keeping on, man. Mom life. Hashtag never ends. Did I just hashtagged. I need sleep. Okay, Dad just called. Good night. Abby, you gotta put your brother to bed.
Good night.
20 minutes. You gotta go to bed, okay? I'm gonna be back in 40 minutes. If you're not in bed, you guys are in trouble.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's great having older kids. Good night, is but. So it's just after 10. I got back from picking up Joe. It's like so far. So I'm pooped. It's my bedtime now, but I have to clean the kitchen. Just a quick tidy up. I have to put the muffins away, kind of wipe everything down, and then I like to clean the bathrooms. I did not get laundry done. There's so many things I just didn't get done. I don't know where the time went. I feel like I was busy, but it's like this, you know? It's like I can't even remember one thing I actually accomplished today, and yet the day felt very busy. So hopefully tomorrow is a more productive day, but I'm gonna do my cleaning routine right now. My mic is falling down my pants. My mic. No, but for real, do I need to say anything? Woo! It's coming down there. So I'm just giving my bathroom a quick final clean, and then I'm gonna get ready for bed, drink my tea, and hopefully watch another Criminal Minds. I'm probably gonna stay up later than I should, but I feel like this is the time of night. The kids are in bed. I can finally have some relaxing me time. So that was it. It's a boring day in the life, isn't it? It's not what you expected. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks for those of you who have stayed to the end. I don't really have a funny story, but this weekend is Thanksgiving for us. So we get together with family, we have like turkey. We also have other things that are not turkey because we go to Joe's grandparents. They call it wild game, but I'm pretty sure it's whatever was hit by a car that week. That's what we eat. No, that's not nice. But I know I've talked about this before, but it's like bear or beaver or muskrat, or it's a roulette roll of the dice what you're going to eat at Joey's grandparents' Thanksgiving. It's always delicious, but also very odd. So we're doing that, and then on Monday we're carving pumpkins, which we do every year with my mom. And so I'm wondering about your Thanksgiving traditions. Let me know in the comments below. Here in Canada, our Thanksgiving is like early. You guys, you squeeze your turkey back to back. It's so close to Christmas if you're in the US. Why so late, friends? Why so late? And also, why is your Thanksgiving, where you get together and it's all about love and being thankful for what you have, so close to Black Friday, where you like stampede and trample each other for a discount TV? I don't know. I think we need to bump up your Thanksgiving. You need to spread out your turkey, friends. That's one of the best things about Canada is our early Thanksgiving. Also, our potato chips are better.